Get your custom and on-demand 3D printed parts in just days from design to delivery. We specialize in high-quality plastic and metal 3D printing. Here, you can see these gearbox parts, 3D printed with high precision and durability. Assembling 3D printed gearbox parts. Gears are 3D printed directly in metal, while body is 3D printed with HPMJF multi-jet fusion technology. We specialize in on-demand manufacturing, crafting complex and durable parts with precision. Our advanced 3D printing technology has helped us cut manufacturing time by 40% while making products 30% lighter. Vexma technology takes you from design to delivery within days, enabling quick iterations, high-strength durable materials, and on-demand production with cutting-edge additive manufacturing. Take a look at the finished product, precision crafted and ready for action. Visit us today and bring your ideas to life with Vexma technology.